So you're looking for something different and unique. The Zipmate is created just for you. It unzips and it has really interesting looking compartments in here. So on the top here you can put any EDC you like. So for example, we have the knife, we have the multi-tool on both sides here. Inside we can have a bigger multi-tool, such as this one over here, or a wave. You can put it right in here. On the other side you can put something else, such as a full-size big knife, and it will go in here. What I like this is the most, take a look how it looks inside here. This is really nice looking material. This is top of the line stuff. Not only that, it looks really cool. Now on the other side we can put a pouch on here, or you can put nothing in here as well. This is a Velcro strap that you can stick in here. This Velcro is not included, by the way. And in here we have a deep black hole, and you can stick your pouch back in here if you want to. You can put a knife here. You can put a bigger multi-tool in here too. Really fits like all kinds of things. But this thing is just really awesome because it can just fit so many things inside here, and yet doesn't look too busy, and also it is really nice looking too. The material is very sophisticated. It looks great, but the best part, sometimes they send you like free gifts included with this, and I got 2 of them here. I don't know if that's the usual thing that they send you, but who knows. So I got 2 of them. I got the toothpick and I got the tea whistle over here, and I want to show you what they are. So to see if you get one of those, what is included, or if you want to order those separately. So the tea whistle is this really cool looking whistle that's exceptionally small. So if you have an EDC kit just like me, and you want to have a bunch of things in there, and specifically if you are using it inside a ginger box, like an Altoids ginger box or an Altoids box, you can see what size really matters. This thing is like exceptionally small. And we have here something else. We have this miniature looking toothpick over here too. And take a look at the size of this toothpick. Now this toothpick, in case you're lost in the woods and you are in trouble, you don't have a toothpick for you to use, take a look at how you can assemble it easily and save the day with having this metal small looking toothpick that is this macro size. So this can come super handy. Plus you never know what you need to pick things with, pickpocket things. I don't know what you want to do with this thing, but it just looks really small and cool, and I think I could use it, so why not? And we also have the emergency whistle also included here too. Now when we go back to this, the material here is just exceptionally well made. And we have the zip over here on this side. You can see how it zips over here. You can see how slim this thing is, like exceptionally slim. It is like really well made. It feels like the pockets of someone's jeans, or maybe your jeans, and the hole and everything. It's like looking at something like really sophisticated and really cool at the same exact time. We have this hole over here that could be, we can hang this out just about anywhere, and it looks really nice. Now if you have a full-size knife, if you want to put it here, well, this one won't be hard. Wow, it will actually fit a full-size knife EDC for you over here, which is really good. And if you have a bigger one of the Swiss Army multi-tools, this is not the original, by the way, this is some fake imitation, but yeah, it's gonna definitely fit in here. Haha, I'm not using the real one for my demos. I want to scratch up something that is looking really nice like that. But the whole thing about this is that having something really slick looking, nice looking, I mean really almost indestructible material with the pouch right in the back, it just makes it really nice looking gift, or a way to organize a bunch of your multi-tools in one small slim location. And the thing is, by this thing fitting so many multi-tools in here and so many things, you don't need to have like a bunch of them just like laying around everywhere. It actually gives you so much space that you can stick them in, and yet it doesn't look too crowded, which is the good part of this. Like really good. You can stick so many different things in here, and yet this thing doesn't really bulk up this much, and it still looks great overall. I really think that this makes it a really nice looking gift to give to somebody, and especially if you want to buy this all for yourself. This can also be used for other things as well, but just throwing it right into your EDC bag and checking it out and using it for different functions, something you should definitely consider. So if you're looking for something like this, yeah, there's going to be a link below where you can buy yours at a decent price. I do suggest for you to sign up for the website, because they will send you some goodies and they will send you some different kind of discounts as well.